Today I'm going to be showing you how to make lunch in a matter of 20 minutes. 20 minutes only. Isn't that easy? So this recipe requires only vegetables and noodles. So if you have noodles just lying around in the house, make this recipe. So let's get started. First off, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Then I'm going to add my cumins. This is just to toast the cumin seeds so that they can be fragrant. My cumin seeds are ready, so now I'll add onions. I'm using 1 medium onion, chopped up. Then I'm going to add carrots. I added my carrots at this point because they're usually hard to cook, and this is a very quick meal. So as my carrots cook, I have another pot of boiling water. So I'm going to cook my noodles as per packaging instructions. So whatever noodles you're using, you just read the instructions. So you're going to stir. Then my onions are ready now. I'm going to add roughly crushed garlic and ginger. Stir. I'm loving the aromas in my kitchen right now. So I'll give this a minute to cook. So to this I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and paprika. My paprika is 1/2 teaspoon. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Stir. Then I'm going to add my green beans, red capsicum, and because I'm using chicken flavored noodles, I'm going to add a chicken cube seasoning. Stir. Look how colorful my pan is looking. Yummy. This is how my vegetables are looking. So now that my noodles are ready, I'm going to add them in my pan. Look at these guys. This is my lunch today. Whew. Can't wait to dig in. My lunch is ready, so now it's time to serve. So please also don't overcook the noodles because they had already cooked. So I turn off my heat. And plates. Wow. Actually, I'm not the only one excited. My children are jumping up and down. there you have it. My noodles are looking extremely colorful, and the flavor, oh my god, the flavor in this room is just amazing. This is a plate full of goodness. Let me tell you, it's so good, so tasty, and trust me, if you try out this recipe, you are really going to enjoy your noodles. So don't go boiling up noodles and adding ketchup, no. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and I hope you give this video a thumbs up. It's free. You just click on the like button and that's it. So catch me on my next one. Ciao.